keep telling him I'll be careful down there. How he know he don't gotta worry about me? Like, no, I'm just he don't gotta worry about me. He definitely don't gotta worry about me. I'm in no trouble. Why when people trip, they gotta look on the ground where they tripped at, like, yeah, you tripped. How you doing, miss? Yo, this is crazy. Look at this. Up and down. Some people's went off the wall.
We're covered to go. Somebody got fresh water for $1.80.
It was heavy in there just now before the cops got there. We almost caught. don't see the OMG chick. I know everybody saw it live earlier. What's all that noise? Huh? 11? Yeah. Oh, the police up there waking people. What? Huh? Huh? What? $1? What about $1? Yeah. I got $1. So they wake people up, they got to get from up there, they closing it. Oh, that's the police doing that. Kicking them out of there. Huh? I don't know. They probably do. I wouldn't be surprised. I'm filming everything. They up there, they up top. That's where they at, the police.
I gotta get back to Chester. Have a good night, son.
Yeah, you be cool, miss.
Thank you.
Nice talking to you. With your keeps up.
What?
I say with your keeps up. We all know I'm lying. That's crazy how they just get on the bus. Ain't nobody saying nothing. They left it. Okay. How's somebody in the room kid with one leg gonna try to sell me something? That was crazy. I'm dead. Look, he just put everybody out and shut the gate. They was up there asleep. They kicked them all out. No, they all. I was all in there. That's all I know. That's top. That's a decent job y'all got.
Go by up there.
She locked in there now. What in the? What in the? She going. Oh, maybe that's how they. Oh my God. What the? $28. Yeah. You ain't gonna try to take it from me, are you? Kind of scared.
I got one.
I'm hoping nobody don't. Now she coming out. She down here. That's crazy.
Coming around, there they go. You want to get out of here now?
Come over. Let me open the gate up. Come right there. Please come down there, Tiffany. Tiffany? Hey, Tiffany.
How would you go back up the steps? Get out of there.
Y'all alright in there? Yeah, I'm glad they got y'all out of there. That's how that other guy fell. They locked the joint, and he tried to climb over there, and I don't know what happened. I was